So Luton 3, Arsenal 4. Oh my days, Jez. Heart Attack FC. Yeah, no stability. Oh, but we control games. Yeah, well, we didn't control that game, that's for sure. Captain, the leader, he gets goosebumps. Disappeared. 29, one of our better players tonight. That kind of sums it all up. Yeah, that little trio, 2 centre halves, and our Declan Rice, who scored the winner. Any one of them 3 get injured for a sustained period of time. Finito, por favor. Yeah, unbelievable. First goal. Yeah, listen, we were letting them tippy-tappy, press us, whatever, run around, exude energy, blah, blah, blah. And we were calm. Yeah. Forced the goalkeeper into an error. Quick throw-in. Saka. Martinelli, goal. And then after that, it was just panic stations. Yeah, you could put Benny Hill music over all 3 goals we conceded tonight. Embarrassing. Yeah, and I said it on the watch-along. We will stink a win out of this game. And everyone will sit there and go, sign the champions, mate. Sign the champions. Yeah, you have to dig in. We got the runaround by Andros Townsend and Ross Barkley. But we're 5 points clear, Jez.
Well, the thing is, Lee, we know what the narrative's going to be on this one. It's that's the way you win games. Well, it wasn't pretty, was it? I mean, Raya tonight was awful. Absolutely awful. Worst display I've seen of him since.
Ramsdale smiling, laughing. On the bench, laughing. When the third went in, they pan swim, laughing. What are you laughing at?
It's a joke. It's a joke. I mean, I'm sorry I know I'm going to get the hate for it, but I don't really care. All we did tonight was paper over the cracks, and the cracks are getting bigger. And those cracks eventually are going to become a bloody a void. We can't keep doing this. Yeah, I mean, we knew that Brentford were going to come out and bully us. We knew that because that's all they could do against Arsenal. They haven't got the skill. Well,
Luton, you mean?
Sorry, I always get Luton. I always get Luton every single.
Yeah, but they shouldn't be playing in red anyway. They should be playing in white, and we should be in red.
Exactly. I always get them mixed up. I'll tell you why. It's because Brentford played Luton at the weekend. Yeah, I mean, no, come on, people. Let's be sensible and be honest with ourselves. It was a bloody awful display, and I just think that at times people get so carried away with the happiness and things. But it's a great win for 3 points. That's all I can say about it. Well, I'm struggling to talk about the game, Lee. I really am. You know me normally. I can sit here for hours and talk. But I didn't see a lot out of that tonight. I really didn't. And we've got Villa away at the weekend. That is going to be a totally different kettle of fish.
Then we've got Brighton. Then we've got Liverpool.
Yeah. I mean, they are tricky games. And fair play, I said to you last night when we did the show last night, I said we don't play well at Brentford. We haven't played well at Brentford. Look at the club history.
Luton.
Bloody Luton. For God's sake. Bloody Luton.
Right, take a shot every time Jez calls Luton Brentford. Cheers.
I'm going to take a shot because obviously I'm talking out of my arse. But the fact is we don't play well there. It's down in history. The facts are there. I don't know why. Is it because it's a quirky little place? I've no idea. But the fact
I think it's arrogance, Jez. Arrogance, yeah. Go on. It's your fan camp. Go on, mate.
No, playing at Luton is, I don't get it. I mean, we knew they were going to try and come on us hard and beat us up. That's fine. But with the skill of the players that we've got, we should be way levels above the class of Luton. But, okay, they have taken a couple of big teams down. So, am I positive? I'm positive for the 3 points. But what I got out of that game against Luton, not really.
I think they've only conceded. I don't think, I may be wrong. I don't actually think they've conceded more than one goal at home against anyone. Yeah, and they nicked a draw against Liverpool, or I say they nicked a draw. Liverpool nicked a draw against them. Yeah, and I think this is where our fans are going giddy about. Oh, but Liverpool drew with them. Yeah, wait till Man City slap them. Yeah, they played against Tottenham. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe did Tottenham beat him? They had a goal disallowed against. I think Tottenham did beat him. I don't think they've conceded more than 2. I'm lying, more than 2. Yeah, but I'm sitting there and I'm going, right, we've got what 3-4 goals against away from home. Yeah, we're solid away from home, better than we are at home. Yeah, because at home we become complacent and we're like, oh, this is too easy, which is why we concede so many at home for the last 18 months. Yeah, I think Leeds conceded less goals than us last season at home. Yeah, and they got relegated. Yeah. So it's like when we're at home, it's almost like, oh, it's too easy. And then you get complacent, 3 against Southampton, etc., etc. Yeah. Away from home this season, we have been flawless. Literally. Yeah. Flawless. The goalkeeper could have a cigar on. Yeah. But our goalkeeper tonight, Jez, shocking. Terrible. Yeah. We get the goal. We go 1-0 up. Great work from Jesus. Chase the keeper down, quick throw in from him, Saka Martinelli 1-0. 5 minutes later, less than that, goal. And I'm like, I'm looking at it, 29's on his knees. I don't know if he was getting his gummy bears out of his sock or his Skittles. He's on his knees. Yeah. Jesus ducks the header from the guy who scored the goal. Keeper, fair enough, no chance. And then our centre-half, Magalhaes, is bumping Declan Rice. And I'm like, shit show. Then you come to, okay, fair enough. Yeah. We then go 2-1 up. Yeah. Well done. 2-1 up. Fantastic. Right on half time. Perfect time to score a goal.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. You get in at half time. What did he say to him at half time?
God knows.
Yeah? Because they came out and they were all over us. Right? They didn't equalise. Then they score a third. Yeah. Ben White tonight. Yeah. As good as you was with a cross for the second, for the Gabby Jesus' goal. Yeah. You were shocking going that way. Kivior, shocking.
Terrible.
Yeah. And that little triumph for him in the team, Saliba, Gabriel, Rice, any one of them 3 get a sustained injury, we're done. Right? Then our captain, what are you doing, mate? Yeah, where are you? Apart from ducking tackles, trying to drop deeper, face planting the floor. But he'll get a pass, Jez, because he set up the winner. Yeah, Declan Rice. Can't do it on your ones, mate. Yeah. Scored the winner. He weren't great tonight. We got overrun by Ross Barkley and Andros Townsend. Like, come on. Yeah. Furthermore, right, Gabriel Martinelli scored a goal, but you were shit.
Yeah, it wasn't good.
Yeah. Bukayo Saka run his nuts off, tried 200th appearance, cool, whatever. But again, yeah, we then bring Trossard on. What did you do apart from Mr. Sitter? Yeah, what did you do? Yeah, what did he do? Yeah, 29 was one of our best players today. Scored a goal. Nice goal. Well done. Probably could have had a couple more. Yeah, one bounced off the middle of his top of his head. Yeah, and he had one that bounced off his shoulder, unlucky. Cool. Him and Jesus for me were like, okay, cool. Yeah, and then that 3. Yeah, but let's have it right here, yeah. When Man City played that lot at Luton, Man City slapped them. They will slap them, Jez, right? And if we play like that against Aston Villa at the weekend, and I have it reliably informed, our manager got booked for the celebrations today. 3rd booking in the season. Touchline ban against Villa at the weekend.
Great.
Yeah. And he's on an FA charge, which means he might miss Brighton or Liverpool after that.
Yeah.
All right, maybe that's doing us a favour because Airport Albert, like when we played Man City, nearly got a victory against them until Rodri scored in stoppage time. But Jez, that was shocking. Yeah,
it was a poor show at the end of the day, and I don't understand. We have this sort of phobia about Luton. I don't know. It's gone on for years, as long as I can ever remember. We don't play well there, and we haven't got a great record per se against them anyway. But I'm sorry, Luton Town, 17th spot. We're number 1, and we turn out a display like that. Odegaard, as soon as it's a physical sort of game, it goes missing. I don't think he is that type of player that wants to get in the mix. Kivior tonight was awful, absolutely bloody awful. Don't know what he did, absolutely shocking. Havertz, well, fair play, 3 and 3. We can't deny it. Good. Hope it continues. Be fair, not my player. I won't say that. But if he turns out to be a goal scorer, happy days, bring it on. But the fact is, as you quite rightly say, we lose a key player in that midfield. We are absolutely done and dusted. We've lost Partey. God knows what happened to him. Will we ever see him again? Probably not. And well, at the end of the day, Ryan, dear oh God, how can you let in that third goal? That was an 8-year-old on a Sunday morning park. You're a professional goalkeeper.
Embarrassing. Yeah, but even the second, Jez, if you're going to come and jump, wipe everyone out.
Exactly.
Wipe everyone out.
That's what goalkeepers get protection for.
And the thing is, he will get more of the blame, than Ben White and Kivior today because of the 2 mad errors. But let's be real, them 2 were worse than him.
Yeah.
Yeah, they were or equally as worse than him. Our captain was a disgrace.
Shocking.
But he got the assist, so it don't matter, innit? Yeah, it's shocking, Jez. Yeah, and I'm sick of it.
Carpet again, Lee. It's all under the carpet. Oh, we go again next week at Villa Park. Oh, yeah, don't worry, boys. Yeah, we got the 3 points. That's great. I'm happy with the 3 points. Don't get me wrong. That's what we do. But you cannot sustain that crap level of football for too long before you get found out. That's what I'm trying to say.
Facts. Make sure you sub to Arsenal History and More. We're going to do Matty's fan cam, and then all 4 of us, me, Kenny, Jez, Matty, on player ratings, so you can come and cry some more about the ratings. Yeah. Make sure you are checking out Kenny's fan cam, my fan cam. Matty's coming up shortly. Big up to everyone who watched the watch along, subbed and all of that along the way. And yeah, man, we're out of here. Laters.